Oh man, the day has come, boys and girls. The day has arrived.
Nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants.
That is right, the day has come where I go back to Tennessee. I know I haven't been able to put out a whole lot of content lately, and that's primarily because I just haven't had the opportunity. The weather has just been horrible around here, but alas, vacation time has come. So I know I've got a few viewers down in East Tennessee. I will be down in Maryville for the week of May 7th, and I'm leaving the 13th, I believe. So if anybody wants to meet up with me, you know, shoot me a message, either here on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. Let's meet up. But this video is really just to let you know that I'm gonna be pretty dormant for the most part for the next week after this video is uploaded, because I'll just be too busy, you know, putting miles on this thing. So you guys seen how much footage I got out of the Tennessee trip back in September when I went down with Kayla. So you can pretty much expect about the same from me this time around. It's just gonna be a little bit of time before I obviously can put the footage up, but rest assured it will be forthcoming. So anyway, I know this is like a super short video, but I just wanted to give you like a little bit of an update. Going back to Tennessee, if you're in the area, shoot me a message, we'll meet up, we'll get some dragon passes in. And that's really gonna do it for the update. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. I am John.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.